If your canna lilies looked messy all winter or didn't grow well last year, this fix might be a simple March cleanup. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to cut them back so they grow bigger and healthier. Hey everyone, welcome to Gin Gardens. If you have canna lilies in your garden, now is the time to give them a little spring cleanup. Right now, they may look like a pile of dead sticks and leaves, but the rhizomes are hard at work underneath the soil. In a few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to cut back canna lilies in early spring so they grow faster, look better, and give you big tropical flowers in the summer.
First, let's take a look at last year's growth. In Virginia winters, frost usually kills the canna lily foliage back completely. This is normal. These stems are done for the season, so removing them clears the way for fresh growth. All you need to do is cut the dead stems back down about an inch above the soil. The important thing is the underground rhizomes surviving the winter. Those are what produce the new shoots. Once you cut everything back, remove the old leaves and stem from the garden beds. This help prevents pests and disease from hanging around. Canna lilies are heavy feeders, so this is a great time to add compost or a balanced slow-release fertilizer.
By late spring, you should start seeing new shoots popping up, and by the summer, you will have beautiful tropical blooms. Do you have lilies in your yard? Tell me what kind you have in the comments below, and also tell me where you're watching from. Thank you so much for joining me. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to Gin Gardens. Thank you so much. Happy gardening!